Chivalry 2 is free right now on Epic Games Store, so grab it before the offer ends. Open the Epic Games Launcher. If it doesn't have the Epic Games Launcher, then open up Chrome and search Epic Games Launcher. Select the official site and select the download option and download the Epic Games Launcher. Once downloaded, install it. After the installation done, in search store type Chivalry. Select the base game. And as you can see, it is free right now. Select the get option. 0 rupees. Select the place order option. Select view in library and the game has been added to library. Select the game and select the install option and it will start it installing guys. So I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.